It's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Oh my God, this was a chase the mailman down the street kind of day. I have so much here to unbox, so stay tuned. I am so excited. I've been doing a lot of like unboxing, unpacking of stuff that I knew what it was. I knew that what I was getting. But I got a whole bunch of stuff today that I didn't know what I was getting. I got some like mystery bags and I'm really excited. So let's get right to it, shall we? All right, so the first thing I got was from WeCrochet. Now, I actually ordered this like 3 weeks ago. So much so that I actually even forgot that I ordered it until they said, oh, your order is shipping. I was like, what the heck did I order? Maybe, because usually WeCrochet is like super fast, super Johnny on the spot. So maybe it was because it was a special mystery box. Anyways, it just arrived and I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Would you look at this? This is from WeCrochet and it's a mystery box from Elise Rose Crochet. So I don't know what's inside here, and I'm so excited. Now, I did order, because I wanted to get free shipping, I ordered another skein of this provincial tweed, or provençal, depends on how you want to say it, but I say provincial tweed, worsted weight pumpkin pie. I had a skein, and I was like, that's kind of pretty, so I ordered another skein so I could get free shipping. That's all this is, just so you know, because the weight is killing you, I know. This is a weight of 4. It is 80% superwash fine Highland wool and 20% dongle tweed. But it's, believe it or not, it is super duper duper soft. It's really, really soft and it's gorgeous. It's called pumpkin pie. Yeah, so I thought, well, I had a skein. I don't know why I had a skein, but now I have 2 skeins. And it has 250 yards on this guy. This came in at $11.99. So this was just so I could get free shipping on this baby right here. I am so excited. This is from Elise Rose of Elise Rose Crochet, who has a YouTube channel. She's really, really big into amigurumi. If you haven't seen her, she's adorable. She's got a super fun personality, almost as quirky and funny as mine. Anyways, so I got this email that she was doing these mystery boxes from WeCrochet, and I was like, okay. So yesterday I was like, gosh, it hasn't arrived. It took about 3 weeks. I went back to the website. I paid $69.99 for this box, and it said that there is a value of $100 inside, but I have no idea what's inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh, so it comes with these, oh gosh, a lot of skeins. Okay. So it comes with this, it's wool of the Andes. It's 137 yards, sports weight. So I got it in white. Then I got it in this really pretty blossom heather. So I'm thinking there's got to be a project happening here. And then this one here is called turmeric. Those are pretty. Then, okay, so then I got this Brava sports weight. So I got these 3 skeins. That's it. That's all I got here. These 3 skeins. And again, this is wool of the Andes sports weight. Now this is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. It's a weight of 2. These 3 skeins here. Then I got 6 skeins of this. This is Brava sports weight, 340 yards. This is coming in at a weight of 2 and it's 100% acrylic. So I got it in white and another skein of white. Here, I'll hold it up so you guys can see. Hold it on my shoulder. Another skein of white. Then I got this pretty pink. Again, 340 yards. Did I say that before? Oh, no, wait a minute. They're different. So these guys, this Brava 100% acrylic, weight of 4, 218 yards, 100 grams. So I got 2 of those. Then I got this one, which is a sports weight. So another different kind of yarn. This is 340 yards, 100 grams. And this, again, this is a weight of 2, 100% premium acrylic. So I got 3. These are all weights of 2. And this is also, so they're all weight of 2 so far. This one here is also the sports weight, the Brava sports weight. And this is the 340 yards. So why is the whites different weight? Because, oh, okay, hold on. Hold the phone. I'm getting confused now. So this is Brava Sports Weight. Okay, 340 yards, 100 grams. And this color is called Brindle. Again, a weight of 2. This is the worsted weight of 4 in the acrylic, 218 yards. This is sports weight. So this is lighter with a weight of 2, 100% premium acrylic. Okay, so 1 of the weight 4, Brava, 3 of the sports weight. Let's see what these guys are. This is another worsted weight. So this is going to be a weight of 4. This color is called Denim. So that's 2 of those skeins. And then this last one, don't look at what's inside the box because I haven't seen it yet. This is the worsted weight of 4, Brava, 218 yards. Okay, so let's just take an inventory of the yarn right now. So we get, remember, this whole thing was $69.99, but it said it was a value of over $100. So I got these 3 skeins of the wool of the Andes. Okay, these are really pretty. Turmeric, blossom heather, and white. Then I got this worsted weight, and I got 3 skeins of that, 218 yards, 100% acrylic, and this comes out in, this is called Persimmon, this is called Denim, and then this is white. So there's another 3. So basically we're getting 9 skeins, and then all different types. And then these 3 here are a sports weight, which is a weight of 2, 100% premium acrylic. Each one of these has 340 yards. We have blush, white, and what did I say this was? Brindle. So basically what I'm seeing is I get to make 3 different projects. Okay. Then you get fun stuff inside. Okay, you get this crochet hook caddy. Oh, I got hooks! There's hooks in here, people! So I got this crochet hook caddy, which I have seen this before. I didn't get it because I was like, oh, do I really need it? But apparently, WeCrochet says that I do. This is really cute. So it's WeCrochet, and then it's kind of like, it's like a silicone, so you can put different size hooks and stuff in there, and needles and whatever else. Yeah, that's cool. I always wondered what this looked like. I just started breaking it. Don't break it. Don't break it. Here we go. Okay, so you get this guy. Then I got some darning needles. Okay, that's cool. Oh my gosh, I love mystery boxes. I love not knowing. I love that someone goes, you know what? I know you like crochet or knit. Let me just pick it for you. I'm like, okay, I trust you. So I got some darning needles. So I got 3 of those, 3 different sizes. Then I got a WeCrochet pen, a little granny square pen. I happen to have one, but that's okay. I can use them as cufflinks. I'll give them to the Brit, and then he can wear them as cufflinks. That'd be awesome. So that little guy here, this little enamel pen, that's very cute. This is exciting, y'all. Let's toss that over there. I got a little thing of WeCrochet stitch markers. Pretty. Rose gold, my signature color. Isn't that pretty? So you got them in silver and gold, and I'm going to call it rose gold in the little container. This is going in my everything bag, my travel bag, because these are great to have. Then I got, okay, I'm going to open up the hooks first. You guys, I've actually seen these. Now, okay, I know. We talk about hooks all the time. Do I need hooks? But hello, and I've seen these. I'm like, these are actually really cute. These are the WeCrochet dot hooks, ergonomic, a set of 9. You get the full set. Oh my stars. Oh my dots. With sharp points and a comfortable ergonomic handle, these WeCrochet hooks are the perfect set for long periods of crocheting. So, I know where these go. These go inside this guy. Oops. These go in like that. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. They just sit right in there. This actually is a really cool carrying case or carrying thing. I'm just putting them in no particular order. I just put them in the order that they came out of. All right, and then I guess I could put that one there. All these hooks. So what sizes do I get? There's a 6.0, a 3.0, 3.5, 2.0. This is going to drive me to drink. I'm going to have to like put them in the right order because I'm just anal that way. 2.5. Okay, so I got a 2, 2.5, which is great because I actually don't have these smaller sizes. This is definitely an amigurumi set. Then I put the 3 there, then I get the 3.5, then I've got the 4.0, then I've got the, let's see if I can figure this out. 4.5, so that's going to go there. Then I've got the 5.0 here, 5.5, and then the 6 goes there. So that's it, my friends. Starts out with a 2.0, and it goes all the way over to a 6. 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, 5.0, 5.5, and 6. All of these together. And there was this little toy. I don't know. It's in a little brown bag. Oh! Okay, I already have one of these, but I don't care. This is the crochet hook tool. And I got one of these already from WeCrochet. So I'm going to have one to travel with, and then I'll have one that I'll just keep here at home. Oh my stars! This is so cool! So 9 skeins of yarn. So I got wools and then 6 acrylics. This whole set with this holder, which typically these are sold separately. The darning needles, the stitch markers, the pin, and the crochet hook holder. This is a $69.99 package in the mystery box, and it's valued at over $100. I'll believe it. Okay, what am I supposed to do with it? I'll figure something out. This is really, really awesome. This is from Elise Rose Crochet. She's on YouTube. I will channel her. Thank you so much, Elise Rose. I'm so excited. She used to have another name for her channel, which is why sometimes I get confused. I'm like, what's it called again? Anyways, but she does some really, I love her stuff, like organizing, amigurumis. I love her videos where she's like, this is stuff I'll never make, and this is stuff that I can make, and it's in a weekend and whatever else. So she's got really, really cool, fun stuff. Anyways, so all of this came together, and she does a lot of amigurumi. So I'm going to have to go and check out her page because she also has patterns, Instagram. I think she's on Ravelry. I'm sure she probably is. Maybe even like Etsy. I have to see if I can find some patterns and then see what I can do with all of this. But if you saw this, if you were like drooling over it and you're like, what's in that box? I got it. Here it is. Crochet hooks, the full entire set of dots. And these are ergonomic handles. What's great about these is it comes in a lot of this, believe it or not. You're like, really? This is something you don't have? This is actually something I don't have. There are some hook sizes here, starting with the 3.5s that I don't have. And I've said this before. The reason why you don't find like a 3.5 and down in an ergonomic, in one of the resin hooks, like my O-Fires, is because the tip, right? The shaft, this part, the hook part, is too thin. And if you made it in this material, in this size, it would snap like a turkey's neck, just, and you don't want that, obviously. So the only time I've ever seen these smaller sizes has ever been either in aluminum or in wood. I actually did break down and order one of the O-Fire hooks in the dual of the bubblegum, the pink and the blue. That should be coming, and that I did get a smaller size because I actually didn't have any smaller sizes. Now I have the 3.5, the 3, the 2.5, and a 2.0. So these guys here are like amigurumi sizes, and then these over here are kind of your standard sizes. But I like the dots. I have been looking at these for quite a while, and Tony at T.O. Yarn Crafts loves these. So, and they have a pretty good feel. The dots have a little bit of I feel the dots, but whatever, that's fine. I'm excited. This is so cool. And then I got this cute little crochet hook holder over here. And then the stitch markers, which are super, super valuable. So if you were looking at this and going, I don't know, is it worth it? Yeah, I think this is totally, totally worth it. All this yarn. And, you know, I always, I'll include a link below here in the channel. Oftentimes they have sales running, kind of like all the time. As a matter of fact, This was on sale. This was normally, I don't know, like $12.49 or something like that, and I got it for like 11 something. So this Provençal tweed was on sale the month of March, I believe. And so that's what I got here. I'm excited about that. Yay! Thank you, WeCrochet and Elise Rose. I am very excited. Am I going to bring this with me on my trip since I've just packed everything up? Ooh, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to be looking at some patterns to see if maybe there's something I should be doing. All right, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. This was my mystery Elise Rose crochet box. I have no idea if they're all going to come with the same stuff, with the same yarns. I know that it did say 9 skeins of yarn, so I presume that you're going to get 3 of the wools, and then 3 of the worsted weight acrylic, and then 3 of the sports weight acrylic. Same colors? I don't know. But these colors all do go together, and they're really pretty. Very excited. All right. That's it for right now. This is a short one showing you my surprise mystery unboxing of the Elise Rose crochet box from WeCrochet. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so that you get all the notifications of when I'm posting stuff. Because I don't know. I mean, I try to stay on a schedule, but then sometimes I just get a wild hair and boom, here I am. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you soon.